All right, this is a Hardinge Bridgeport GX480 vertical machining center, new in 2010, serial number NVLB0H0068. It has a FANUC OIMD control. You have a 10,000 RPM spindle, 20 ATC, that's your X-axis. You have 18.9 inches of travel, that's your Y. You have 15 3/4, 15.75. And then your Z, you have 16.9. Run the spindle, that's 1,000 RPM. That's 3,000 RPM. That's 5,000. That's 7,500. Again, 10,000 RPM is the max. Do a tool change. 20 station side mount tool changer. Do one more. It's also it's a 10 horsepower spindle. Has a coolant system as well. Can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.